Shema.
Onyekachi, okay.
Yeah, I want to find out. Okay, while downloading the virtual box, am I to select the Windows host version?
What operating system are you using?
8.1.
What operating system are you using?
It was Windows 8.1.
Windows.
Yeah, using Windows now.
So therefore you use Windows host version.
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bukola, are you loading?
Yeah, hello, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, Babatunde again.
Uyo, are you loading? Are you downloading?
I've downloaded it and I'm installing it now, but a page pop up now that will I like to install the Oracle Corporation Universal Serial Bus.
You want to install what?
Universal Serial Bus, USB. Oracle Corporation Universal Serial Bus.
Okay.
So should I install or I shouldn't install that?
Let's go ahead. That's too simple to ask. Go ahead, do whatever you want. If it doesn't work, start all over again.
All right.
Learn to walk. All right, so we're waiting for you guys to finish installation. And then after you have finished the installation, you find the box on your desktop, your desktop in your OS under your program. Click the box, and then your Oracle VM virtual box will load. And when it loads, it will appear like this. Somebody's waiting. Okay, so move this to one side. Okay. All right, so it will appear like this. This is my own Oracle VM one. Oracle VM virtual box. You see my screen? Okay, we just done one. Do you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Do you see my Oracle VM virtual box manager?
Yes,
sir. All right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So after you've completed your installation successfully, and you start the program, this is what you should see. But you will not have machines. These are virtual machines already installed. You will not have these machines.
Yes.
So the next thing I want to show you is how do you now install. All right. So to install a machine, there's something we need. We need the operating system that would download into the machine. So let us go back to Google and download, this time, Windows Server operating. So let us look for, we are doing Windows Server administration, right? So we need to download Windows 2016 Server OS. All right, so you can see my Windows. Again, I am mindful where I download from. There's no better place to download Windows operating system than the manufacturer of Windows. So I'm looking for Microsoft.com. Try Windows Server 2016 on Microsoft Evaluation Center. Okay, that sounds good. I take that one, and then I have all of these options. So what I want to do is Windows Server 2016 evaluation copy for 180 days. At the end of 180 days, I'm already an expert, so I won't need this anymore. So it's good. So I take that. I take the ISO, that's the image file, the ISO, not any of this, but the ISO. All right. And then I click continue. I just fill in this form briefly, whatever I need to fill in. All right. That's it. So I just say continue. What else? Where is it? Language. Download. So it's downloading. I hope you are seeing my screen. Sometimes you don't see the screen. Let me know so you can see. So my Microsoft Server 2016 image file that I would load into my virtual machine as the operating system is downloading. Open when done. When you are done downloading, open the folder. That's going to take a while. So let's give it time to download.
Excuse me. This is 6.5 gigabytes.
6.5 GB. Hey.
Yeah, it may take a while. It may take a while, but
hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
So I selected Windows Server 2016 now. Then I see, please select your virtual experience. Am I going to Virtual Lab or ISO?
Where are you?
No, I'm on start your evaluation.
Just go ahead, do whatever you feel you should do.
Hello, sir.
It doesn't work.
Are you repeating this class?
You have to make mistakes to learn. Don't expect to just be told everything A to Z what to do. Choose what you feel is the right answer, and if it does not work, go back and choose something else. That's how to that.
Excuse me, sir. I wanted to ask, are you repeating this class tomorrow?
No, I'm doing something else tomorrow. I'm not repeating this. I'm moving.
Because of the 6.5 gig, it's going to be a real headache to download,
I'm not doing the practical. I'm just showing you what to do when you are not in class. If you can download now, fine. If you cannot download, you have the whole time to yourself. So there are people that are not even downloading anything. They are just taking down notes so that they will go after class, settle down, download overnight and then practice this tomorrow or somewhere. All right.
I
So
think we
it's
should
not.
just continue the whole thing, so we can just keep going back to the whole thing, so we can cover a lot of things today.
Just
I think
give
that should be
us 5 minutes more to finish downloading, please.
Okay. Everybody's a teacher. They are telling me what to do. Don't worry, I know what to do. Just you come along with me. So let me give you 5 minutes more so that whatever you are doing, even if it's not, I don't expect your download to just go smoothly. Sometimes take up to 3 hours to download, depending on the speed of your internet. But again, I don't have to rush. These things need to sync. So for some persons, just being able to download and install the VM VirtualBox is enough achievement for today. So since you are doing that well so far, let's just ensure that you complete that successfully. I don't know, I'll show you the other stuff and then you can take your time to complete those. In the time being, questions, please. Ekom Obong, Farinde. Yes, that's you. How are you? I can't hear you. Are you? Okay, you are trying to unmute. So where is that my Instagram fan? Are you my what's your Instagram name?
Ekom Family.
Oh, that's your Instagram name.
Yes, sir.
Where is this lady that has been saying I can't wait? Today is the day. Let me see if she's here. Yeah, so we are still giving you the 5 minutes. You have like 3 minutes left to complete whatever.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
Okay. What's this Windows Server going to be used for?
Wow.
Just like you've explained hypervisor, it's going to be installed on the machine. So you haven't explained what the Windows Server is going to be used for.
The Windows Server we are downloading, right?
Yes.
We are going to install it on the virtual machine we're about to create now, so that we will have a server on which we'll practice all the server things we'll be doing.
Okay, I understand.
No worry. And we're going to complete that now. We're going to install the server today. At least, maybe we'll stop there, but let's install the server. So what have you done successfully in terms of downloading and installing? What one thing have you successfully done? Have you downloaded the Oracle Virtual?
Yes, I have downloaded the VirtualBox. I've installed it.
Where's I've downloaded the VirtualBox?
I've installed
Yes, sir. I've also installed the VirtualBox Manager.
Okay, so
I'm just waiting for the Windows server.
All right.
Which is very heavy.
Yeah, it's very heavy. So we'll not wait for that. I am Arintanuela. Are you here? I am Arintanuela. Are you here? Hello, did you hear me? Please signify if you are here. Your Instagram name is I am Arintanuela. Are you in class?
I think the computer stopped sharing your screen.
You don't see me anymore?
No, your screen is still on.
All right, so give me just Abubakar Bello. Why are you always laughing? Are you doing something else, or is it this class that's what I'm using? Abubakar Bello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm here. No.
You're always smiling. Please share. I want to smile too.